Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup smart device data privacy settings, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by identifying the smart device you want to backup. Navigate to the settings menu on your device. Look for the privacy settings option in the menu. Open the privacy settings and review the current configurations. Take note of the important privacy settings that need to be backed up. Consider using a secure method for backing up this information, like a password manager or secure notes app. If your device supports it, enable a privacy settings export feature. Follow the prompts to export or back up your privacy configurations. Check if your device offers an option to sync settings to a cloud service. If available, activate the sync feature and select the privacy settings to include. Manually document any settings that cannot be exported directly. Use screenshots as a visual reference for complex settings or those that are hard to describe. Ensure your backup method is secure by using encryption if possible. Review the backed up data for completeness and accuracy. Periodically update your backups as your privacy settings change. Regularly review your privacy settings to adapt to new features or updates on your device. Stay informed about best practices for data privacy to enhance your smart device security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.